A reliable night vision tool doesn't have to be expensive, and this guide highlights great value options for budget shoppers. The best cheap night vision monocular in the second line helps you spot details clearly without stretching your budget or sacrificing performance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. HEXEUM 32GB Night Vision Monocular. The HEXEUM 32GB Night Vision Monocular delivers impressive clarity for outdoor enthusiasts and security users alike. Equipped with the ability to capture high-definition photos and 4K videos, it excels in daylight, low light, and total darkness. The 36-megapixel picture quality ensures that every detail is sharp and vivid, making it ideal for wildlife observation, camping, and nighttime surveillance. The 3-inch HD display provides a clear and immersive viewing experience, while the 5x digital zoom and 25mm objective lens allow you to focus on distant subjects with ease. The monocular's built-in 5000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery supports extended use, complemented by an 850 nm infrared illuminator that enhances visibility in pitch-black conditions. Users will appreciate the motion detection feature for capturing moving animals and the anti-shake functionality that keeps video steady. Transferring photos and videos to a computer is simple with the included Type-C cable. Number 2. TOPDON TS004 Night Vision Monocular. The TOPDON TS004 Night Vision Monocular combines thermal imaging with durability and user-friendly features for unmatched performance. With a high IR resolution of 256 by 192 and a smooth 50 Hz refresh rate, it delivers clear and precise thermal images, ensuring every detail of the environment is captured accurately. Its robust 5000 mAh battery allows up to 11 hours of uninterrupted operation, ideal for extended outdoor activities or night exploration. The monocular also offers real-time monitoring through the Top Infrared app, enabling users to view live footage, record video with audio, and capture images directly on their smartphones, even offline. Its durable silicone casing, IP67 waterproof rating, and resistance to dust and drops up to 2 meters make it well-suited for rugged conditions. Whether hiking, camping, or scouting, the TOPDON TS004 remains reliable and resilient under challenging situations. Number 3. TERUNSOUl 128GB Night Vision Monocular. The TERUNSOUl 128GB Night Vision Monocular offers exceptional flexibility and performance for avid explorers. Featuring Wi-Fi connectivity, it allows hands-free operation via smartphone app control from up to 49 feet away, perfect for wildlife observation or security monitoring without disturbing the surroundings. Equipped with a massive 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it supports up to 21 hours of continuous recording during the day and 6 hours with infrared activated, ensuring extended use during long excursions. Its 128GB storage capacity ensures every adventure is recorded without worrying about running out of space. The monocular's high-definition 4K video capability, combined with an 8x digital zoom and precise manual focus, allows users to capture distant targets and fine details with ease. The rotating barrel ensures effortless adjustment, while its wide field of view provides an immersive night vision experience. Ideal for hunting, camping, and observing nocturnal wildlife, the TERUNSOUl Monocular balances advanced imaging technology, long battery life, and convenience. Number 4. Bushnell EX650 Night Vision Monocular. The Bushnell EX650 Night Vision Monocular delivers reliable performance for daytime and nighttime observation. With the ability to switch between full-color daytime viewing and infrared night vision, it ensures versatility in all lighting conditions. The built-in IR illuminator extends visibility up to 650 feet, allowing users to monitor wildlife, conduct surveillance, or explore remote areas with confidence. This handheld monocular features a 5x zoom lens that brings distant subjects into clear focus and supports video recording on a micro SD card, making it easy to document hunts or outdoor adventures. Its compact, lightweight design ensures portability without compromising functionality, and the inclusion of a tripod mount adapter enables stable, hands-free operation. Ideal for hunters, wildlife enthusiasts, or anyone needing dependable night vision on a budget, the Bushnell EX650 combines quality optics. Number 5. ESSLNB 1080p Night Vision Monocular. The ESSLNB 1080p Night Vision Monocular offers an impressive combination of power and portability for nighttime observation. With 18x digital zoom and 6x optical magnification, it allows users to focus on subjects in fine detail, even in low lights or complete darkness. Equipped with a high-powered infrared illuminator, the device enables viewing up to 1,968 feet, making it ideal for wildlife spotting, camping, hunting, or outdoor security. The monocular features 5 adjustable IR levels to adapt to varying conditions, ensuring optimal clarity and visibility. Its lightweight, handheld design with a comfortable grip allows for easy portability, while the included buffer strap stabilizes the device for accurate image capture. Users can record high-definition videos and photos to document their adventures or monitor activities in real time. Designed for versatility, it's suitable for birdwatching, landscape observation, search and rescue, or night navigation. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.